Network marketing is a powerful business model that has the potential to bring massive wealth. However, with so many opportunities in the industry, it is easy to get burned out and lose motivation. So how do you make money in network marketing? Well, the answer lies in identifying which products will generate the highest commission checks and then focus on promoting those products. Hello and thanks for checking out my video. In today's video I am going to be talking about can you make money in network marketing? My name is Richard Murphy and I am from New Zealand, so for now just sit back, relax and enjoy the video. You must also remember that this business is all about networking. If you are not willing to expand your network and spread your message to new, potential customers, then your efforts will be severely limited. One of the most successful ways to create income with network marketing is to promote other people's products. This means you have the potential to be the go-to place for customers who are looking for the next big thing. Many network marketers have built their whole careers marketing products related to fitness, relationships, and happiness. If you have a product that is in demand and/or has a positive reputation, you can find a large number of people who are looking for similar products to try out. It is also possible to make money in network marketing by being a salesperson. You do not necessarily need to sell a product, but if you can establish yourself as an expert in a given area, or if you are highly skilled at a particular skill, you may be able to sell people products related to that area. For example, if you are skilled at building websites, you may be able to sell website design services to people. Selling products help you make a commission. However, network marketing requires you to get in front of potential customers in order to make any sales. So you must develop the skills required to market online. The best way to sell a product is by using attraction marketing techniques. The idea is to put the customer into a buying mood before they decide to make a purchase. Most network marketers will tell you that the secret of making any sales is to talk to people and to make them interested in your opportunity. If you want to make a lot of sales, you must develop your skills in salesmanship and persuade. There are many examples of products that have been successful in network marketing. The most popular products include those related to health and weight loss. People are always looking for new ways to lose weight and are more likely to buy products that offer them a solution to their problems. Products such as colon cleansers are very popular. Another product that is gaining popularity is the acai berry fruit. These products have worked well for network marketers because people are always searching for a natural alternative to drugs and artificial products. If you want to make money in network marketing, you must be willing to work hard. Many network marketers have failed because they did not have a good product or service to sell. They made promises they could not keep and soon people were losing interest. You must make sure that you know what you are selling and that you can deliver the goods if you want to succeed. If you are going to use network marketing to build your online business, you need to be patient and not expect to make thousands of dollars right away. The key to being successful in network marketing is to have a consistent effort no matter how many hours you spend working. If you go into your business with the attitude that you are going to work your butt off, you will fail. The key is to work smarter and not harder. If you are serious about making money in network marketing, then I recommend that you start learning the techniques involved. There are many websites that offer training on how to make real money online. You can learn about ways to market your website, how to write articles, and how to capture email addresses. Once you learn these skills, you can turn these skills into real profits in no time at all. Thanks for watching my video about can you make money in network marketing. If you got value from watching my video, hit the subscribe button below this video. Well, that's about all from me. This is Richard Murphy from New Zealand signing off until my next video.